Crafts cinnamon dough. Let's make cinnamon dough. We will need a half a cup of applesauce, a half a cup of cinnamon, big bowl, rolling pin. Mix a half a cup of cinnamon and a half a cup of applesauce into the big bowl. Mix the cinnamon and applesauce together with your hands. You don't want your dough too wet or too dry. Feel free to add extra cinnamon or applesauce as needed. Roll out the dough and use cookie cutters to create decorations which can be hung up. You can put a hole in your decorations with a pencil and then tie a string through the hole so they can be hung up. You need to let your creations air dry at room temperature for about 48 hours. It is a good idea to flip your creations over within 24 hours for even drying. Be creative and mold your cinnamon dough into many different shapes. Cinnamon dough is a ton of fun. Don't stop here. Explore some more. You never know what you will discover at your back door. Pick another book and look inside. It's easy, it's fun, and oh, what a ride!